Morning, everybody. Saturday morning. Been working nights. Had this box sitting on the counter in the house for like 3 days now, and it's driving me crazy. Maybe 4, I don't know. Bought this knife from Salvador Hernandez. Bad knife. He also has what he calls Bad Axe Solutions. If you have been on my Hud's Hobby Room page on Facebook, he posts on there a lot. He has some very cool axes that he's put together. So let's pop this turkey open and see what we got. Where the heck is it gonna open? Right there. Right there. All right. Oh, hey, that came out point first. Be very careful how you open a knife. Oh, nice. Nice. So Sal gets these knives as blanks. He cleans them up, puts a sharpening on them, and puts a handle on them. Now he's written on here what this is, and I'm going to say it wrong. Goncalo Alves. Yeah, told you I'd say it wrong. Here, let me show you. Goncalo Alves. Who knows, it's probably way wrong. Good looking knife though, take a look at that. Nice brass pins. And it's got an edge on it. Super nice knife. Super nice knife. I don't want to tell you what I paid for it. I don't want to put words in his mouth. I don't know what he usually sells them for. Maybe I got a super good guy deal and maybe I didn't. Super cool knife though. Thanks, Sal. There's nothing better than a good knife. It's well balanced. It's not super heavy, but it's got weight. Yeah. Nice knife. I bet that goes in the hunting pack. Yeah, get over at Bad Axe Solutions. He does some good work. Now I've got to hold some of it in my hand, and I think his pictures don't do him justice all the time. So yeah, Bad Axe and Bad Knife. He's also part of oh shoot, what do they call it now? Yeah. It is bad getting old, folks, let me tell you. The Axe Alliance. The Axe Alliance, I got it. So, Tony, that I got this vise from, he's part of that. There's a guy on there on Facebook, Tally Dorfman. He lives up in Payette, Idaho. This comes from Arizona. This came from Texas. Those 3 guys get together and they're putting axes together. They do a nice job. They've got some posts up there on the old Facebook page too. So check them all out. You know, we're all in this together. It's a fun deal. We've all got different talents. These guys have pulled their talents together to make some special axes, and they do a very nice job. But hey, today's all about Sal and that knife. That is a gorgeous knife. Thanks, buddy. Can't beat it. Oh, by the way, go out and get you some.